Impact of the First World War. The First World War started in the year 1914. This war was fought among the nations of Europe to get colonial monopoly. During wartime, the British government made an appeal to the Indian leaders to join hands with them in their time of crisis. Indian leaders agreed, but they put their own terms and conditions. That is, after the war was over, the British government would give constitutional powers to the Indian people. Unfortunately, the steps taken by the British government during the World War I created unrest among the Indian people. This was because the British government had taken a huge loan during wartime which they had to repay. They increased rent from the land, that is Lagan. They forcefully recruited Indians in the British army. They increased the price of necessary goods and imposed taxes on personal and professional income. As a result, they had to face protest from the Indian society. The early years of the 20th century saw the growth of a revolutionary movement in Bengal, Punjab, and Maharashtra. Young men advocated the use of force to expel the British from India. They formed secret societies to train their members. The revolutionaries started killing British officials. The Chepakar brothers killed two unpopular British officials in Maharashtra. In 1908, Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chakki threw a bomb at Kingsford, the unpopular district judge. And in 1912, an attempt was made on the life of Viceroy Lord Hardinge. Some revolutionaries migrated to Europe and the USA and were active there. They were Madam Bikaji Kama, Lala Hardayal, Rash Bihari Bose, Shamji Krishna Verma, Sohan Singh Bakhna, Veer Savarkar, Muhammad Baraktullah, and Ubaidullah Sindhi. They together formed the Ghadar Party to raise an armed rebellion. The British used all means to suppress the revolutionaries. Khudiram Bose was hanged. Arbindo Ghosh and Barindra Kumar Ghosh were put in jail. Some revolutionaries were sentenced to life imprisonment. The revolutionaries of this period became national heroes. By their spirit of self-sacrifice, they inspired many people to join the national movement. They, however, could never involve the people. It was left to a man called Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to mobilize the people and carry the national movement to the next phase. Dear students, we will read about him in the next lesson.